Hiya guys, and welcome to another video. So yeah, basically my girlfriend decided to hit a car. So yeah, she's messed up her front wing just a little bit. It probably looks a lot worse than what it is, just because the paint from the other car was rubbed onto there. But yeah, it doesn't look too bad. But having this noise on the door, if I quickly let you listen now. Yeah, doesn't sound too good. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use a little suction cup, hopefully try and pull it out. Fingers crossed it works. And then if it does, I'm going to try and get the red paint off the wing as well. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like on this video as well. Let's get straight into it and I'll show you the damage. So yeah, it isn't too bad, like I say, just because the red off the other car was rubbed onto there. But as you can see, it's crumpled it up a little bit. And obviously with it being a bit dirty as well, it looks a lot worse than what it is. Obviously the indicator's also broken off. A few little dents there as well, and obviously underneath it's bent all that a little bit. But yeah, not too bad. I'm going to try and give the little suction pulley a go, see if it works. But you know me, it normally doesn't work. And obviously, yeah, just down there is where the door's rubbing. Just catching there, so hopefully I can get that bit out so it won't rub. Right, so let's give it a go. See if the thing's going to bloody stick or not. So you attach it to it and then pull it. But yeah, doesn't seem to be sticking. Gonna try and give it a few more goes. Yeah, God knows why it's not working. Like I say, I've never used one before, so if you have used it before, then please let me know how you actually use it. Just thought I'd try it on a flat surface, but yeah, it's not having any luck. So that was another epic fail by me. So yeah, the suction cup just won't suck onto it for some reason. I've tried to wet it and that. So I think I'm going to try and just get the red out of it and then probably give it another go, see what happens really. So I've got some glue and tar remover. Just going to give that a bit of a spray on there, see if it does anything. And just give it a rub then with my microfiber towel. Just by the looks of it, isn't doing a lot. I think it is fading it out a little bit. I think what I might do is try toothpaste, see if that does anything. So I'm just going to squeeze the toothpaste straight onto the panel where it's marked. And get the microfiber towel again and try and give it a good wipe. And then fingers crossed, this should hopefully work maybe. At least get rid of the main parts anyway. So I don't know if you can quite see that, but definitely seems to be working, to be fair. Just got to give it a really good scrub, you know, have to put your back into it. Yeah, as you can see, it's definitely doing the job. So yeah, make sure you get the Colgate extra white to get it out. So I'll quickly show you now. As you can see, it is a lot better. What I'll do is I'll carry on and then show you the end result of it. And there you go. See, toothpaste isn't just to clean your teeth. I think, to be fair, it's done a really good job. You could obviously probably use other things, but I thought, I know I've got toothpaste, so why not use it? So I think what I'm going to do is, obviously the suction cup didn't work, so I think I'm going to take the plastic inner arch out, well, not out, just unclip it and then get my hand in and just try and pull it out. So yeah, I'm just going to take a few of the clips out first, which they seem to be a right bit of a bugger, which they always are. And then hopefully I can just get my hands in and try and give it a good pull. So I've got two out already, but for some reason this one's being a little bit of a bugger and I can't quite get it out. So I think what I might do is just leave that in, and hopefully I should be able to just pull the plastic forward and get my hand in there. Right, so now that I've taken a few of the clips out, hopefully I can just get my hands in there, hopefully give it a little bit of a pull. Like I say, it's only a cheap little Citroen, so you know it's not going to be great, so it should be easily movable. It is quite flexible, proper thin steel. Door sounds a little bit better already. So yeah, I'm going to keep carrying on. It's probably not going to be perfect, but it should hopefully look a lot better. And I just want to get a bit of the noise out of that door, like I don't want it to be rubbing too much. So I'm just going to keep working around it, just trying to pull it out. So I'm just going to try and work on the top bit now, see if I can pull out that biggest crease. So like I say, it's so flexible. I'm literally hardly putting any pressure on it, and it's just moving anyway. Yeah, it's quite a tight fit in there. Hopefully I can get it out a little bit. I think another way you could probably do it is take the wing out, and you probably could actually knock it all so it is flat and pretty much straight. Try this cup one more time, see if it does anything. No, it's bloody useless. So that was a waste of £8. So I'm just going to have to keep using my hands, hopefully try and get it out. So what I'm going to do is I'll keep working at it, try and get it the best that I can, and then I shall show you the end result to see if it is any better, because who knows, it's probably just as crap as what it was when it happened. So the door doesn't seem to be rubbing now, so at least hopefully I've done one thing, if not anything else. So yeah, I think that's the best we're going to get it. I'm going to take it to the car wash, and then I shall reveal what it looks like properly at the end. And there you go, so this is the end result. I think it looks 10 times better. And the fact that it's all clean now just makes it look a little bit fresher. So yeah, I'm pretty pleased with the end result. Obviously it's not the best, you know, I ain't no bodywork specialist or anything. Obviously there is a few deep scratches, but yeah, I'm happy with that. Right, so that's pretty much going to be the end of the video. Like I say, it looks a lot better. Unfortunately that little sucky thing didn't really work, but yeah, it's easy enough to pull out with it being such a cheap car, and obviously the build quality is absolutely rubbish. So yeah, I think I'm just going to take it to the car wash, so just make it look a little bit cleaner, and also just check the fluids, make sure it's all running all right. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a like. Just a little tutorial really, you know. You don't have to take your car to the garage. Get yourself some toothpaste, and if you can get your hands up in there and just try and push it out, then yeah. Obviously, it doesn't look brand new, but at least it looks a lot cleaner. And like I say, from a distance, it looks absolutely fine. So, for such a cheap little car, it doesn't really matter. And obviously, the door doesn't squeak now when it does it still a little bit, but at least it's not as bad. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.